Hi everybody, this is Atik. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. So in our previous video of Python series, I have discussed with all of you what are the various types of arithmetic operations that can be performed on set of integers as well as floating point numbers. We can not only perform all these arithmetic operations on integers, floating point numbers, but also on strings. So it is a strange thing. Okay, you people can ask me one question. Sir, of course we can perform arithmetic operations on integers. We can perform arithmetic operations on floating point numbers. Whether it is possible to perform arithmetic operations on strings, sir? Yes, it is possible. But we can perform the selected arithmetic operations only on strings. So, first of all, let me directly take you to the command prompt. Okay. And let me open the Python editor first so that I can able to differentiate you that how we can perform the arithmetic operations on strings. So Python editor activated. Now what I am going to do is, generally in variables we will assign values. Let us x is equal to 10. Okay. Next in y variable I can assign the value 20. Is it right? Now what I can do? I will perform, if I want to add these two numbers, I want to perform addition operation now. So what I can do, x plus y, 30. If I want to perform multiplication, x into y, 200. Is it possible? The same thing, the question is, on strings also can we perform addition? On strings also can we perform subtraction? On strings also can we perform division? The answer is we can't perform all the operations on string, but we can perform two operations on strings. One is addition, that is plus operation. Another one is the multiplication operation. But addition operation and multiplication operation, how we need to use, I am going to show you in this video. So my dear students, let us initialize one string now. So I am taking the same x variable. How to initialize the string, you know? Directly we can't initialize the string like this. Suppose I want to initialize the string with my name, Atik. Directly I should not initialize, like how I will initialize the variables, values, like integers or floating point numbers are there. Directly I can give x is equal to 10, x is equal to 2.5. But in case of strings, we need to use one procedure. What is that? X is equal to x assignment operator, single quotation we need to use. Here, Atik, close with single quotation. Press enter button, which means Atik is a string which is assigned to the variable x. Similarly, take one more variable y. In variable y, I am going to assign one more string, that is Ahmed, A-H-M-E-D. Single quotation close. Enter button. So in x variable, Atik string is stored. In y variable, Ahmed string is stored. So these two variables are holding two strings. Is it okay? Now, x plus y. I want to perform addition now. So if I perform addition, here Ahmed will not be added to Atik. Addition in the sense here, concatenation. Concatenation means this is Atik and this is Ahmed. These two strings will be combined together. They will attach together and it will produce one string. Let us press enter button. Now you see here, Atik, Ahmed. Ahmed is a string which is concatenated to the string Atik. Is it right? X plus y means concatenation. Now, this is okay, sir. Sir, what is the use of multiplication? You told that we can multiply the strings also. How it is possible? My dear students, let us take one example. In x variable, I have stored the string Atik. So what I am going to take x into, I am going to multiply the contents of x with the number 3. Now let us see what we will get answer. See here, Atik, Atik, Atik. How many times I got this string? 3 times. Why I got this string 3 times? Because I have multiplied the contents of x 3, which means 3 times I will get the string. Okay. Not only we can multiply the contents of x, but directly the string also, which means, for example, CSC. Let us take, I will take one string, CSC, capital letters, into 5. So CSC is a string. I am going to multiply with 5 number, which means how many times I got CSC? 5 times. Is it okay? So these are the two arithmetic operators we can directly use on the string, and how they will give the behavior I have shown you clearly here. So I have taken two variables, and in those two variables how to assign the string with the help of single quotations. Is it right? And how we can concatenate the two strings and how we can multiply the string with some integer. Each and everything I have shown you. I believe that all of you have got the clear picture about we can perform these two arithmetic operations even on strings also. Is it right? Of course, the topic of string I will be uploading in detail in my next set of videos, that how Python supports the concept of string. But at least you people have got an overview of the string concept and how we can use the arithmetic operators like plus and star, that is multiplication on them. Is it okay? So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.